Dear friends, welcome to my video. In this video, I'll show you how to color the text in TextView or edit text in your Android app. So let's begin. It's a very short video and we will create a very simple layout, and we can name this application as Text Color App. Name doesn't matter as usual. So the environment is still loading. We'll have to wait. Once the environment loads, the Java and the layout file will come up. So we'll just quickly do our things in layout. So I think we'll reuse this text view, the widget which we get by default. I'm just increasing the size and I'll just give some ID to it. So probably text view, and what else? I can increase the size so that at least it's visible. Probably 34 could be a good number. Good, and yeah, that's all. I'll also add quickly a button here which will set, or I'll add it below it, and I'll name this button as, okay, first I'll give some constraints as well, and the button name will be uh, color text view. Perfect. Similarly, I will also do it for plain text, which is nothing but edit text. So I'll just add some edit text and one button for setting this up. So I'm quickly adding some constraints and making it as color edit text. Again, you can name it anything. So name of these buttons, these things are very, doesn't matter. I'll leave the name by default the text as it is, and yeah, I think that's all. I'll do it over here. So layout wise, I have just done it in a very quick manner. So you should be doing it in a much better way if you're develop some kind of professional app. And now I'll just create two button edit text color, two methods I'm creating here. So one will be for coloring the edit text and the other one will be for button text view. Again, name of the method doesn't matter, you can name it anything. So yeah, I'll go back to my layout and I'll quickly associate those methods to these buttons. So one of these buttons will be like, this is for edit text, which is nothing but this one, the first one. Probably I can also do one thing, is the ID of this edit text is usually, I don't know why it comes this way. So I'll just refactor. Of course it will automatically take care of the different places where this ID is referred in this layout. So if you go and code, you can see the changes the Android Studio automatically does while doing the refactor. And the other one is this particular button. So here also we will associate it with the other method button text view color. So once you have done it, you can also note that the color of this they will grayed out initially, and now it's a bit more lightened up. What I will do is, now I will also quickly create two private variables. So one will be edit text and the other will be text view. So, and I will associate it with the findViewById R.id with the respective widget, and similarly in text view findViewById R.id.TextView. Now in the edit text we'll color the edit text. So we'll just set text color, and here if you know the color code, the integer part, you can put it that way, or if you want to keep it simple, you can just also use the colored object and then use the standard color like red, blue, or like I'm pretty sure there will be other options like yellow, white, magenta, green, gray, whatever. So I will just probably make it red, the first one, the edit text, and then I'll go to the text view. So similar concepts remains here also. Set text color, and then you can use the color dot, and you can use the, probably red I have used our one, so here I will use blue. Yeah, so this will return the integer code for the respective color. So I think the blue will be okay. If I just quickly go there, so this is the code probably for the color blue. Okay, so once done this, I will run this in an emulator and see how it comes up. And while in the time when my app is loading, I'll just do a bit of cleanup here. Perfect. And I will wait for my app to come up. Perfect. So it seems like my app has come up. I'll click on this button and I can see the text has changed to red because of this line number 25. And if I change click this one, I am expecting it to change to blue. Let me see. Perfect. Yeah. So this text we can't modify, of course, but this one we can modify. So if I type something else, say for example programmer world, yeah, but the color will be always red because there is no way to go back. So once it sets to red, it sets to red. If you want to change to some other color, or if you want to give some kind of palette using something, then you have to accordingly program. So I just wanted to show you in a very simple way that set text color is the method which you can call on a particular of this object to set the color of that particular object. So that's all. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.